This is my window, tracing the pathway you.
Hello everyone, this is our trade on Boom 900 index. Why did I enter this trade? I go to daily time frame and I saw this. I saw that the market is making lows here. I saw that the market is making lows here, and I also noticed that there is a trend line break here. I noticed there is a trend line break here. Then I switched to my 4 hours. I saw that the market is trending, making a series of higher highs and higher lows. Yeah, making a series of higher highs. Sorry, lower lows, making a series of lower lows. The market is making a series of lower lows. Yeah, and also breaking structures. Market is breaking structures. So you can see market is breaking structures. Then I could not get inside here. I could not get inside here. This is where I supposed to enter, but I did not see this. This thing has formed before I saw this market. So what did I do again? I go to 1 hour and check if there is. This is where I see what makes me to enter this trade. I saw this MO pattern. I saw this MO pattern, or you call it a double top. I saw this double top formation. Yeah, it's a powerful confluence. It's one of the bearish reversal pattern. Yeah, it's one of the bearish reversal pattern. And I also draw my trend line. I saw that the trend line also aligned with the chart pattern. Yeah, I saw that the trend line also aligned with the chart pattern. See, the trend line aligned with the chart pattern. What else did I do? I go to 30 or 50 minutes. That's my entry time frame. That's my entry time frame. I know that the market will come and retest the neckline. Then I entered here. I entered at this junction. Yeah. As you can see, my breaking, I have breaking even already. This is where I put my stop loss before. I put my stop loss here. I have breaking even already. So this is where I entered my trade. If you go to 15 minutes, you will see it clearly. You will see the MO pattern formed clearly here. See how the MO pattern formed clearly. So I wait for the retest and we are riding it down there. Riding down there. I go into my TP. This is how I catch Boom 900 index. So go to your chart and look out for those things that I have showed you right now and implement it. Please don't forget to subscribe and like this channel, and also join my Telegram channel for more updates on synthetic indices and currency pairs. Yeah, this gentle effects once again. I love you all.